Hello, Darth Vader. Can we hear something from you, sir?
Do you see yourself in the mirror?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's seen his imagination. It fits, eh? Fits very, very well. Give him rubber boots. We have to buy now black or something like Mario's.
Hang on.
Now it's all black.
Rocks, maybe, or something.
Oh yeah, something in black will work, I guess. Or maybe he has some.
That's the determined block.
Oh yeah. Keep it inside. Like it's not enough space.
No,
It's so
it's
congested, and the house will look like a disaster afterwards.
Yeah, it's so much nicer to be able to go out.
Show me, can you run? Star Wars. Oh man. I'm gonna put it on YouTube so mom can see.
This isn't your wagon. You need to go get your wagon if you want to go for a ride, okay? Come on.